Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that can change your life and the lives of your loved ones, building generational wealth. If you're ready to secure a prosperous future for your family, then keep watching. Before we dive into the strategies, let's define what generational wealth means. Simply put, it's about creating a financial foundation that can be passed down from one generation to the next. It's about breaking the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and creating a legacy of abundance. Step 1. Financial education. Step 1 in building generational wealth is obtaining financial education. Understanding the basics of personal finance, investing, and building multiple streams of income is crucial. Read books, take online courses, attend seminars, whatever it takes to expand your financial knowledge. Step 2. Set clear goals and create a plan. Define your financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Whether it's saving for your children's education, buying real estate, or starting a business, having a clear roadmap will keep you focused and motivated. Step 3. Invest wisely. Investing is a key component of building generational wealth. Diversify your investments across various asset classes like stocks, real estate, and bonds. Consult with financial advisors to ensure you make informed decisions that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Step 4. Teach financial literacy to your family. Educate your children and other family members about financial literacy. Teach them the importance of saving, budgeting, and investing from an early age. Empower them with the knowledge to make smart financial decisions throughout their lives. Step 5. Build multiple streams of income. Relying solely on a 9-to-5 job may not be enough to build generational wealth. Explore different avenues like starting a side business, investing in rental properties, or creating passive income streams. The more income sources you have, the more secure your financial future will be. Step 6. Continuously educate yourself. The world of finance is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay updated. Read books, follow financial experts, and attend workshops to stay informed about new investment opportunities and strategies. Never stop learning. Building generational wealth requires discipline, patience, and perseverance. It's a long-term journey, but the rewards are immeasurable. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your family's financial future is secure. So, start today. Take action, make smart financial decisions, and build a legacy that will benefit not only you but also the generations to come. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on personal finance and wealth building. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and build that generational wealth.